curation to me, I love the process, and I love to see the artists put together that process and work with it and refine it and make it their own. It's like making a baby, you know, how the baby comes out of the womb and is so fresh and so new and so wonderful. It is that birth, you know, that is so, it's so powerful that you can describe it. It is that magical. I love magic. I love things that are unseen. I love things that are not real. I like to see and not to look, because seeing and looking are two separate things. So I love to see, but I don't love to look, because look is just a pass by. Seeing is to focus, is to pay attention, is to be completely inside and enthralled. And that's what I love.